Betting the farm. Understanding risk in English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about taking big risks. Bet the farm on it. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idioms, this video will unpack the meaning, origin, and usage of this intriguing expression. Let's get started and find out why someone might bet their farm on something. The phrase, bet the farm on it, is an American idiom used to describe a situation where someone is taking a very large risk, putting all of their resources or everything they own on the line, based on the belief that they are certain to succeed. The farm here symbolizes one's most valuable possessions or assets. When someone says they're betting the farm, they're essentially staking everything they have on a single outcome they believe in. This idiom is deeply rooted in the American agricultural history, where a farm represents the livelihood of the farmer and their family. The phrase conveys the idea of a farmer risking their entire farm, which is their source of income and home, on the success of something uncertain, like a crop yield or a market trend. It's a vivid way to illustrate the level of risk and commitment involved in a decision. Using bet the farm on it in conversation or writing shows that you're talking about a huge gamble or risk. Here are a few examples. He's so confident in his new business idea that he's willing to bet the farm on it. You shouldn't bet the farm on a single stock. Diversify your investments instead. It's important to note that this expression is often used to caution against taking excessive risks or to highlight the confidence someone has in the success of their venture. English is rich with idioms that convey the idea of taking risks. Similar expressions include, put all your eggs in one basket, risking everything on a single opportunity or plan. Go for broke, to risk everything in the hope of achieving significant success. These idioms, like, bet the farm on it, serve to illustrate the high stakes and the potential for both great success and significant loss. We hope this exploration of the phrase, bet the farm on it, has been enlightening. English idioms like this one offer a window into cultural values and history. In this case, the importance of agriculture and the risks involved in farming life in America. Remember, idioms are a fun way to make your English more colorful and expressive. Until our next video, keep practicing. And don't be afraid to take risks with your language learning. Just maybe not bet the farm on them. See you next time.